Here in the Oakville Showhome for the Princess Margaret Cancer Center Home Lottery, the second floor has 4 bedrooms, and each one is very distinctive. When you come up the stairs, the first one is this sort of dark gray blue bedroom. It's a little more masculine space and really has great textures and is a cozy space. The adjoining bathroom has a plaid wallpaper, so it's a fun space. The next room is our Paris bedroom. So we painted moldings on the wall and used this beautiful French daybed, mixed up with some modern elements like the glass desk and the shag rug. Then you go into the Canopy Bedroom, and that's where I wanted to show that you don't have to have a big space to have a canopy bed. So it's a 4-poster, and it really works in the space. Between the 2 bedrooms is a bathroom with Missoni wallpaper, which is fun color and is a bright space. And because it is adjoining 2 bedrooms, we use frosted glass panels to divide it up. At the end of the hall, we have this wonderful master suite, and it's in this soft blush color. So the carpet is blush, the drapes are blush, the walls are blush. And then the focal point is this huge button tufted headboard, which goes the full wall and very high. It's got a dressing room behind it in the same coloring with a beautiful blue-gray wallpaper, which is our accent in the room, and then a very dramatic master bathroom, which has this freestanding tub, which is really popular now, and especially in front of the window, it lightens up the space. We have a lot of mirror in the master bathroom. Well, everybody wants to have a lot of mirror to see when they're doing their hair or makeup. So we did that big archway in the gray bronze mirror, and then clear mirror on the vanity front and the side and back wall. And it really is a dramatic focal point to the bathroom. Now we have a laundry room on the main floor, but for convenience, in this closet we added another washer dryer just off the master. A great idea for those little things you want to wash. Well, one of the nice things about the stairs is all the light. We have these huge windows that face the side garden and the back garden. And then I love iron railings. I just love the contrast of the black iron against the light paint. And I think whether it's a modern house or a traditional house, an iron railing looks great. And then we took the gray floor onto the treads up, and that connects the main floor to the second floor. We talk about how great this house is for entertaining. Well, the basement really is the ultimate. So when you come downstairs, there's this great seating area, and the focal point is orange color on the chairs, on the wall. We have a large TV with lots of seating, and one of the fun things is these life-size games on the walls. So we have chess and backgammon and snakes and ladders, and we have actual pieces. They're magnetic. So when you're sitting in that seating area, you can watch 2 people play backgammon, for instance, on this huge wall. In designing the lower level, we've done a lot of things. We've done billiard tables, we've done putting greens, home theaters, gyms, and I thought, what's an activity that I would love to have? Well, bowling is it. I love bowling. Who doesn't love bowling? And to have it in your house, there's a lot of planning because it's a very long sport, but everyone that comes down there loves it and just wants to get onto that bowling alley and play. Now I have to try to hit these 2. Oh. You're going to be here for a while. Who can resist? You know, people will say, I'll say, let's go bowling. I'm like, bowling? Who wants to go bowling? But when anybody gets to a bowling alley, they love it.